Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Binance app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply go ahead, open up your particular app store on your phone, go to search bar and type in Binance and search it up. Once you have got it, tap on this little download icon on top right corner, and then it will simply start in downloading and will be installed to your home screen right afterwards. So wait till the downloading is completed, and now once it's done, tap on open, and now you simply first of all ask app not to track. And now once it's open, this is the interface gonna pop up. Now you can start by logging in and use it however you like. And that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching.